Oh, is that for Mommy? Thank you. Shoes. Oh, burp. Is that a yummy rock? Honey, you've got to stop eating rocks. It says it's good for my immune system. Hey! You don't have rocks like this in your yard at home, do ya? No. No. What's that face for? You look confused. Do you need your sippy cup back? Yes. Hi, pretty girl. Ooh, there's a bug flying, huh? Where are you going? I'm gonna play with some plants. Play with some plants.